Hi friends, it's Steffi and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this makeup look. It was a little experiment I did a few weeks ago or so, and I decided to make a makeup tutorial because I thought it was really colorful and cool and I wanted to share with you guys how I did it. So it's mostly for the eye look, but I also show you guys my new lipstick, which I really love a lot and I've been using a lot more lately. So without further ado, let's just get started. Oh, before you watch the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Steffi Bluebear. And also, I'm kind of sick, so sorry if like my nose looks weird and like I sound sick, but I'm sick. So I have my eyebrows, my concealer on, and I have my contacts on that I'm going to be wearing. So the things that I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this Lime Crime Plushies palette in the name Fresh Squeeze. And I'm also going to be using this Silly Color Cosmetics Shimmer Shadow in the color Beach Cottage. And it's this a green shimmery color. And those are going to be the palettes that I'm going to be using for this look. So the first color I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this yellow color in the Lime Crime Plushie palette called Jackfruit. And I'm just going to put that all over my crease. So now that I have some yellow on, I'm going to be taking the color Mango and I'm just going to be putting that on the crease as well, but a little bit more lower. So like right here. I'm just gonna blend all of that together a little bit. So now I'm gonna be taking the color Orange Juice, which is the orange color in the palette, and I'm gonna put a tiny bit like at the edge right here. So just a tiny bit, not too forward, just a little bit. And I'm also going to blend that out a little bit as well. Whew. So now I'm going to be taking the color Dragon Fruit, which is the like bright purpley-ish pink color. And I am just going to like dot it right here at the edge. I'm not going to put it too in. I'm just going to dot it at the edge like this. Just to give it a little bit more of like a sunsetty pinky-ish color. I'm just gonna like dab it on. I'm gonna blend that out a little bit as well, but not too much. So now we're gonna be using this green shimmery color, and we're gonna put that on the eyelid, or on my eyelid. So I'm going to be using a flat brush to apply that. I'm going to be adding a little bit more yellow just so it could pop a little bit more, not too much. I am also going to be adding a little tiny bit more pink to the edge, like right here. I'm going to put on my foundation and we'll come back to finish the look. So I have my foundation and powder and my contour on, so now we're going to continue with the eyes. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this color again, which is called Dragon Fruit. And I'm going to be taking this smudge brush. And I'm going to be putting it, oh sorry. I'm going to be putting it on the bottom of my eyelid. So we can give that pop of, a pop of pink to the eye look. Or from a different area. And I'm going to try to blend this with the top part a little bit. I'm going to use another flat brush to like blend that out. I kind of messed up over here. I'm going to try and blend out some of the green a little bit so it won't be like a harsh line on my eyelid. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild loose highlighting powder in the color Written in the Stars from the Zodiac collection, and as you guys know, it's my favorite inner corner highlight. I use it all the time in like all of my videos. I'm going to be taking this pencil brush and just dabbing it. I'm going to be dabbing it in the inner corners of my eyes. Taking an angled brush and then putting it on the bottom of my eyelid, on the inner corner, so like right here. So now I'm just going to be putting some eyeliner on. So these are how the eyes look. I didn't put like fake eyelashes because I'm really sick and I don't feel like putting fake eyelashes on because of how sick I am. So let's just zoom out. And yeah, my hair is really messy. So I'm going to put some finishing touches. I am going to be putting some highlights. So I'm using this Vintage by Jessica Liberskin, I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm going to be putting on the rose quartz one, which is this one right here. I like this highlight because it's real subtle. It's not too harsh like a lot of my other highlights, so that's why it's like used a lot, because I use this whenever I'm going, like if I have a very colorful eye look, I'll use like a subtle highlight, and if I have like a very simple eye look, I'll use a very bright highlight and intense one. Last thing I'm going to be putting on is this NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lipstick. It's in the color Brunch Me, and it looks like this. It is a very cute lipstick. I don't know if it's new or not, but my store started carrying them and I noticed the packaging, so I thought it was cute. I really like this lipstick. I wanted to get a more naturally nudie pink color, so that's why I got this. I know my hair is a mess, but I'm too sick to freaking, you know, fix it. But here's the finished look. Let me see if we can zoom out more. Is that it? Here is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below your opinion on this makeup look. Are you going to try it? How do you think it looks on me? Is it fun and colorful? And let me know if you're gonna try it on yourself, and I'd really like to see pictures of that. And please subscribe, I really appreciate it. And please subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.